TopCare HVAC of Oakville proudly introduces the Daikin VRV LIFE system, an innovative heating and cooling solution designed to bring advanced VRV inverter technology into residential homes. With efficiency ratings of up to 18 SEER2, 14.3 EER2, and 8.8 HSPF2, this system delivers dependable year-round comfort while helping improve energy efficiency. Available in 2, 3, 4, and 5-ton models, the Daikin VRV LIFE system provides flexible comfort solutions for a variety of homes. Contact TopCare HVAC of Oakville today to learn more about this advanced HVAC technology.